What's up, guys? Today is Vanguard Thursdays once again. I'm excited you're here with me today. Today we're going to finish going over the fishtail cases, or mini L's as I call them, and we're going to cover each algorithm step by step. So, well, the last three. You already got the first three from GDT Cuber. I'm going to give you the last three here today, and then at the end, I'm going to let you know what we got coming this weekend, plus we got another competition coming up. So I'm looking forward to giving you all this information, and I know you're busy, so let's get started.
Okay, so throughout the week, we've seen shorts on case 47, 48, and 49 that GDT Cuber put out for us. So now what we're going to be looking at is case 50, 53, and 54. So case 50 is going to look like this. It's going to have our fishtail facing us with one dot, the 3 bars on the left and 2 bars on the back. And this is actually a really easy one because you start out with R prime wide U, and then you're just doing R2 U prime, R2 U prime, R2 U, and then you can already see just by the case that we're looking at here, we're just putting it back R wide prime. And that's it for case 50. Now 53 is going to be a little bit different because in this case we're going to have a 3 bar and headlights, 3 bar on the left and headlights on the right. And this one's actually also pretty easy. There's 2 wide moves, one at the beginning, one at the end, and it's R prime wide, and then it's just regular single moves, which is U prime, R, U prime, R prime, U, R, U prime, R prime, U2, and then you can see the final move being R wide. And that's it for 53. Now 54 is actually just the opposite of 53, and in that case, like you can see here, your fish shape is in a different spot. Like on 53, your fish shape or fishtail is like this, or mini L, and on 54 it's facing up. Same thing though, you're going to have your 3 bars on your left and your headlights on your right. The only difference is where the fishtail's pointing, and plus you'll have the single little lonely guy in the middle here. And this one's actually pretty easy. It's just, instead of R prime, we're going R wide, U, R prime, U, R, U prime, R prime, U, R, U2 to move this over to here, and then our R prime wide. Now, don't worry, if you didn't get any of that, a link is going to be in the description below to all the OLL mini L's and fishtail cases. You make sure to hit like and subscribe if you're getting good information out of this. And also, coming up this weekend, every Saturday from here on out is going to be a review or a comparison of some kind. Throughout the week, we're going to be having, for the most part, OLL cases on the off days when we don't have any to show you, because we're not going to start a new one midweek. What we'll always do is we'll handle the one case for the whole week, and then on the leftover days, GDT Cuber will give us some shorts, like on some of his solves. He may do a couple tip videos or something along them lines. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next week on Vanguard Thursdays. Have a good weekend, guys, and don't miss our Saturday show.